Click on the link below to get price. Introducing the electric solar panel cleaning brush and water-fed pole kit, a product designed to simplify the maintenance of solar panels, ensuring they remain efficient and functional. This kit is particularly useful for homeowners and solar energy enthusiasts who recognize the importance of keeping solar panels clean, as dirt and debris can hinder performance. The core component of this kit is the electric cleaning brush, which is equipped to provide a thorough clean without the need for excessive scrubbing. The brush is specifically designed to gently yet effectively remove dirt, dust, and other residues that commonly accumulate on solar panels. This is complemented by a water-fed pole that allows users to access panels situated at various heights, facilitating an all-in-one cleaning solution without the risk associated with ladders or scaffolding. One of the standout features of this kit is its telescopic rod, which can be extended to reach those hard-to-access areas. This flexibility makes it suitable for a range of solar panel configurations, whether they are mounted on rooftops or in ground arrays. The ability to adjust the height of the pole is particularly beneficial, as it allows users to maintain a safe distance while cleaning. In terms of usage, the electric solar panel cleaning brush is straightforward and user-friendly. Simply attach the brush to the water-fed pole, connect it to a water source, and use the electric function to effectively agitate the dirt. This method not only saves time but also minimizes the effort traditionally required for manual cleaning. The integration of water helps to rinse away debris as you clean, creating a more efficient process. It is also worth noting that the kit is designed with durability in mind. The materials used in both the brush and the pole are engineered to withstand various weather conditions, ensuring that the equipment remains functional over time. Maintenance of the kit itself is minimal, requiring only occasional cleaning and checking for wear. In conclusion, the electric solar panel cleaning brush and water-fed pole kit offers a practical solution for maintaining solar panels. With its combination of an electric brush and an extendable water-fed pole, it provides an accessible way to keep solar energy systems operating at their best. This kit may be particularly appealing for those seeking an efficient and safe method to care for their solar investments.